Okay, boys and girls, we are going to start with seeing what tiles we have on our HCPS start page. So I'm going to double click Chrome, go to the little house, and this is my HCPS start page. Yours will look a little different. If you don't have the Fallston Middle School Library as a tile on this page, I want you to be sure that you make a tile for our library's website. So all these boxes are called tiles. And the way you do that is open a new tab. You're going to type in www.fallstonmiddlelibrary.com. And this is our library's website that Miss Ring made. She's very proud of. And I first want to be sure this is a tile on your page. So you're going to copy this website. So highlight it and hit Control-C. Go back to the start page. Go to Add a Tile. And you want to paste it here. So get your cursor there and hit Control-V. Now, they're given the title Fallston Middle's Library Home, but I'm going to put FMS Library because if we did Fallston Middle, you wouldn't see the library part on the tile. And I got to make sure. There you go. So I can close this now. And now you have a Fallston Middle library tile. Another thing that we're going to do today that's on my It's Learning page is you're going to go to the Fallston Middle School Library and you are going to read the fall issue of the Cougar Pride that students and Miss Ring worked very hard on. It's about 17 pages long. Open. And it's really pretty amazing. There we go. I think this is, yes, this is it. 17 pages. Fall 2018. Neat stuff. So you can take class time to look through this, read the articles, look at the surveys, fun facts about Halloween, a few recipes, freaky fun. Did you know soccer facts, rescue animals, really neat stuff. Okay, but first and foremost, make sure that you have on your HCPS start page, go to the house, and you want to be sure you have an FMS library tile. All right, good luck to you.